I'm Carrie Little. You keep asking, so I'm going to deliver. So and I'm looking at my calendar, Saturday, July 14th, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram. And I might even do a part 1 and part 2. But we're going to use Instagram stories to build your real estate business. Now, if you're interested, we're going to do it in my office. I am only going to open it up to about 20 or 25 people, and that's it. Because I want you to come here with your computers and your smartphone or your iPad or your tablet. But you do need at least your phone or your iPad, because we're going to lay out your Instagram pages. I'm going to connect you to Facebook so you can build a story around real estate on Instagram, and I'll show you how to send it to Facebook so you can continue to dominate on Facebook, but we'll build out those Instagram pages. So at the bottom of this email, I need you to click to sign up. Is there a fee? Yes, there's a fee, but it's not too bad. So I'm Carrie. Swipe, sign up, click today, because I'm going to help you dominate your marketplace with Instagram.